This is Pioneer's DEH-S5120BT. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM CD receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The DEH-S5120BT is compatible with Pioneer's SmartSync app. The SmartSync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. The DEH-S5120BT is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC files from USB. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, we're going to start off here with the wire harness. Now, the wire harness is used to connect power and ground and speakers and all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver to your vehicle. Next up, we have some 1-DIN radio removal tools and some installation screws. And then we have the Bluetooth microphone included in the box. The Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. Next we have the quick start guide. There we go. There's the quick start guide. And please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual right to your cell phone from pioneerelectronics.com. And finally we have the warranty card. There's the warranty card. And let's open the flap here and we can get the in-dash receiver up out of there. There we go. There's the receiver. The front panel of the DEH-S5120BT has a large rotary volume control here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. Use this button to make and receive phone calls. Radio station presets are across the bottom. The auxiliary port is here. The USB port can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC files from a USB thumb drive. And, of course, detachable face security. When using the Pioneer SmartSync app, the DEH-S5120BT features a 31-band EQ. The DEH-S5120BT features multicolor illumination. When using the Pioneer SmartSync app, the navigation button here will activate your favorite nav app on your phone for turn-by-turn instructions. On the back panel of the DEH-S5120BT, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The black jack on the top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. The one on the bottom is used for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are 3 sets of 4-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They are front, rear, and subwoofer outputs. And that is Pioneer's DEH-S5120BT, SmartSync compatible in-dash receiver, and what's in the box.